Okay, it's Monday, November 21st. Just following up on the SPY. I've decided to exit the position here from a risk management standpoint. I bought the puts here on going into bar number 4, the 15-minute bars here, after you had that red bar number 3 breaking the lows. That was high probability to come out and take out the stops down here below the pre-market lows. We did that, and then we just paused orderly, and we made another push down, and now we're making another green push up. So there's a potential for a failure here to move down. I decided to exit the entire trade of 352. I bought the options at 320, scaled out at 375, and now I took the small gains here at 352. Again, type of thing where if we look at the daily chart, we did get the 2-down day on this little secondary push and immediately came up from there. So this is tricky now to know, are we really going to follow through? Is this just a kind of a break through the low and then maybe going to end up neutral kind of within this whole range, or are we going to build some momentum to the downside here to, again, as I discussed in the previous videos, now work towards the target of Thursday's low, which is that would be the weekly low here, and that can set the month red. But we're not there at the moment. We're still just inside on the week, on the day. I just have to look at this 2 pushes down and then a little failure back to the upside is something that it's time to just kind of watch it at this point and see what happens. Again, I'm not necessarily, until we come up and really take out kind of the midpoint of the first bar and even begin to move above these pre-market highs, I'm certainly not looking for a reversal to the upside. The bias is still down. We could just be pausing here a little bit longer and continuing lower since we officially have the 2-down day now. But at that point, if you get some failure up here and another red bar, you can re-enter short and then kind of look for the week to continue down lower towards those targets, Tuesday, either this afternoon, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So at this point, just given the price action, time to exit this trade. Small win. Good trade location was the key to get by the puts here. This gave you a lot of cushion to either take small profits or scale out as I did and take small gains. Or if you just didn't do anything, you should do no worse than break even on this trade since you had pretty good follow through. But anyway, going to watch what happens now for the rest of the afternoon. At this point, just exiting and kind of seeing, do we just get an orderly little pullback maybe to take out these highs and then resume lower again? That's possible, taking out stops. Or is this kind of the end of the move for the day, kind of the 2 pushes down in the morning, and that's it? So we'll find out, as the afternoon goes on.